Good morning, you guys. It's your girl Vicky, and I am here with my first ever Vlogmas 2025, you guys. You see baby girl, she's right here. She's asleep. I'm trying to make sure I get the best angles of light because, honey, only light I got is over there in these windows. Like I said, this is my first ever Vlogmas, ever. My name is Vicky Ray. I am a work from home, stay-at-home mom who is also on her fitness journey. I have lost 100+ pounds pretty much a year ago, gained it all back because I got pregnant. But today's video is going to be a morning in the life as a stay-at-home mom for my first Vlogmas video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me because I'm not only doing Vlogmas with the vlogs, but I'm also doing Shortsmas. And who else is going to be doing intros for Shortsmas? Stop, please. If you haven't already, make sure you like the video. Comment down below if you're a stay-at-home mom, or if you know a stay-at-home mom, or if you just love Christmas spirit. Comment down a whole bunch of Christmas trees down here on the video in the comment box. And become a part of the family, honey. I also do have a family channel. It's called Hop On With the Hopkins. So if you want to follow my family content on there, that is the way to go. Like I said, you guys, make sure y'all go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like this video on up, and I'll get back with you guys when I get done with this movie, honey. Vlogmas Day 1. Let's get it. Stop. Everybody got that one toddler that be meddling around. All right, y'all. I'm up, and you see there's light in here. My toddler keeps trying to wake my daughter up, and she's awake. Maybe. Anyways, I'm gonna just show you guys while I'm still watching my movie. I got it on mute right now. I'm gonna show you guys, like I said, this is just a morning in the life. If you can relate, stay by. So, like I said, this is just a realistic morning of the life. I have mad clothes to put up. I have like 2 loads of laundry to fold up. Once I get done doing that, then I'm gonna go ahead and just get myself together all in general. So come with me. It's gonna be a little bit of a montage, sped up montage for me to get everything together. Yeah. Say we gotta get dressed. Say I'll be right back, guys. Somebody's thieving. Somebody's thieving. All right, you guys. So I pretty much got the clothes all folded. I just gotta take my son's clothes in there, and then in baby girl's room, I got a whole nother basket, which I'm gonna actually do that off camera. But on camera, I'm gonna take care of all of this, honey. You see all this? We actually switched our room around, so I need to fix up my Christmas tree, get that all together, and yeah, montage that. Alright, you guys, after all of that, I finally got everything all cleaned off. Got my candle lit. I put my Christmas tree back there until like the nighttime. And I finally cleaned off my freaking dresser. So, yes. We are making progress around here, okay? So, I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. Now let's go make sure that this toddler is fed. I gotta make him some breakfast.
Did they tell you where I was? Dear, I promise
Put the baby down
to you on your suggestion.
for a morning nap.
Mom,
So.
no, he,
Wait, no. This is your mother? Yes, this is my daughter.
So I'm back, right? I come back to this. My babies. Let me walk around here. Yes, I have not made my bed yet. But both of my babies are asleep. I'm sitting here making breakfast and I'm like, it's awfully quiet. No wonder why. Them kids are asleep. So I'm just putting some bacon in the oven for Jacoby. So yeah, let me show you guys the Christmas decorations that I got going on. Again, I am a mom, okay, you guys? So you're gonna have to excuse that some things have some clutter around it. I haven't got to it just yet. Just keep that in mind. All right, guys, this is my table that's decorated. This is things that needs to go back downstairs, but this is the main thing, and that needs to go in this cute little rug. And I have my coffee table, my coffee stand has a cute little cup and a Christmas tree. And then you come over here to my, I don't even know what to call this table, console table, I guess. And this is what I got on there. Of course, my toddler keeps knocking the numbers off, but it's 25 days until Christmas today. And like I said, you guys, this is just what we have going on for Christmas. For some reason, this stocking keeps falling off. I have no idea why. And then we also need to get an a Z for Zara stocking. But this is what my mantle's looking like. This is what my couch is looking like. This has to go outside to plug up. And yeah, this is everything that I have done for Christmas. Like I said, something simple. Well, I'm always extra, so it's never not simple for me, but something really simple, really cute. So yeah. So let me go ahead and finish up this breakfast for this baby, and that'll be pretty much my morning with you guys. If you're a mom, make sure when you work on cleaning up your house that you clean up your space first before you tackle anybody else's space. Just a little mom tip. So let's get to this breakfast. Okay, y'all. Just my look. I really can't find any bacon in here. Do I have sausage? I ain't even got sausage. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to go to the store. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here, you guys, and have my stepson come upstairs and hang out with his siblings while they're asleep while I go to the store. Really, that is pretty much a glimpse of my life. I will go ahead and show you guys another video another time in another video. Just let me know if you guys are interested. My morning in my life as a work from home, stay at home mom when I go to work, because I do work at home. Other than that, your girl will catch you in the next video.